Welcome to our in-depth comparison of N8N and Relevance AI. In this video, we'll explore which of these platforms automates better in 2025. First, let's take a look at N8N. This open-source platform allows users to create complex workflows without writing any code. On the other hand, Relevance AI specializes in leveraging artificial intelligence for data-driven automation, making it a popular choice for data professionals. Let's compare key features of both platforms, including integrations, ease of use, and customization options. User experience is critical. N8N offers a user-friendly interface, while Relevance AI focuses on accessibility for advanced users. Scalability is essential for large workflows. N8N and Relevance AI both have capabilities for handling extensive data processes, but let's see how they stack up. Community engagement and support are pivotal. N8N benefits from a strong open-source community, while Relevance AI offers comprehensive support. Pricing is a significant factor. N8N offers a free tier, while Relevance AI has various paid plans catering to different business needs. Let's discuss real-world use cases. Businesses have successfully implemented N8N for automated workflows, while Relevance AI excels in data automation. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. Let's summarize some user feedback and expert reviews. Looking ahead, both N8N and Relevance AI are expected to introduce exciting features in 2025. In conclusion, which platform is better suited for your needs? It ultimately depends on your specific use case, but we hope this comparison helped you decide.